What is the secret to your vitality and your fitness? I think everybody would want to know that.
It is throughout mankind, throughout human history, there are only two ways for you to be fit. Watch what you eat and exercise. Anyone who wants to have a better quality of life, I don't mean long life, I mean better quality of life, because you can live long and live a terrible life. It depends on these two things, and both together. What do you eat, and how much exercise do you do? Because you see, the human body, Allah has made this human body is, only Allah could have fashioned the human body. And what is it? The more you put pressure on it, the better response. So if you starve yourself, fasting, I get my fittest when I'm fasting. Why? Because when you're fasting, the body is responding to there not being enough food. So the immunity system in the body, Allah has created a body such that immunity system comes into play. And so it fights, the body then fights hunger, body fights if you put it under stress. When you exercise, you put it under stress. So it then responds to that. The moment you stop putting it under stress, the body decays. This is how it's been made. So there's a verse in the Quran that we were made to struggle. Humans were made to struggle. And you achieve how much you struggle. So therefore, and there's another verse. There's a saying of the Prophet that seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave. Now seeking knowledge means you're striving all the time. That's how you learn knowledge. It doesn't mean reading fun books. It means seeking knowledge. So the mind responds to that and it stays alive. And so, you find people at 60 years old, suddenly they retire and they age because the struggle goes out of their life. So, so the critical is, short answer to your question, the more you make yourself struggle, body, and eat properly,